Hi everyone, we are going to create this expandable search input element. So here, as you can see, this one we are going to create. So start to create. So I am going to cut this one, and here is our starter file. Here are only two files, as you can see, index.html and style. Now a style file is empty. Let's start from here. So I am going to take one wrapper, search, and I am going to take one icon, search icon, and here I will put icon. So I am going to search remix icon and search now I'm going to take this one, copy and paste here, and go and copy CDN from GitHub. Now, here is a CDN link, as you can see. Copy this one and put inside of head section. Now as you can see, here is our icon, and let one input element, input search input. Now you can see here is our text input, and give placeholder search. Now as you can see here, let us style it. I am going to give some default style here. So I am going to give the style of body, background color, and I'm going, yeah, this is nice, and let center the our element. So display grid and this item, center, and min height 100 vh. Now here we go. Let's start to style this section. So first I am going to style search. So here go and select search and give background color white. Now make it flex, and now I'm going to style input element search, that's this input, and padding 6.6 RAM and 1.2 RAM. Nice. And give font size 1.2 RAM. Yeah, this is also nice. And search input focus. As you can see, I want to remove this focus outline, so here outline none. Now you can see it's removed. Let remove border also, border none. Now it's none. And let's style icon, search icon, and padding 0.6 RAM and 1.2 RAM. Give background color so we can see. Now it's there. Now give the font size 1.2 RAM. Now it's better. And make it position absolute of this search wrapper. So now here relative, as you can see, and here need to padding wrap 3 RAM. Now as you can see, and reduce the now it's good, and give more padding, yeah, and remove this background color, and let's give the index 1. Now let's tap on this search icon and make it background transparent. So background color transparent. Now as you can see here, and bit 0. Here we go. Now it's look like this one, and go and reduce some this input, and .2 RAM is correct, so I'm going to give here 2.2 RAM. Now it's look nice, and whenever we focus on that input, it will expand. So here we go and write bit, I'm going to 16 RAM on a click, as you can see here. Yeah, but it's not a smooth, and give some padding here. So I'm going to copy this one here, and 3.2. now it's look better, and give here transition all points per second. I'm cubic this one. Now it's working fine, and keep border radius now 4 pixel, and overflow hidden. Yeah, it's looking nice, and give some box shadow, it will look much better. So give some box shadow 001 RAM RBG 000 and 0.1. Now as you can see, it's working fine. Here we can write the brave coder and something like this one. Yeah, it's working fine. So I hope you understood this tutorial. I will meet you in next one. Stay safe and enjoy this one.